The sun is shining. Nah, I'm not going to do that. I'm not keeping that in. Fuck it. Sounded better in my head. Alright, yeah, the sun is shining. I've been listening fucking Oasis even more than normal now because I'm seeing them in Edinburgh. And I can't wait. It's like a month away now. Jesus, I've been watching like all the TikToks, fucking seeing all the tweets, every video, everything that's coming up of them live I'm watching. I just fucking can't wait, man. I honestly been asking for it for years and years and years. Like most of the nation, but seeing them in Scotland, pretty sure Noel hates Scotland, but you know what I mean. I saw him in Inverness. He was just slagging us off. I was like, fucking sound, But anyway, your boy is off. 4 site visits, a viewing, other shit that comes up throughout the day, cold outreach and all that stuff. Look at my Instagram story and you'll see it, what I'm up to today. Oh, I'm in a good mood, feeling in a good mood. Started the day off strong, got a smoothie. This basically, this is nothing to do with property, right? But fuck it. This basically saved me. Because my generation, we don't eat enough fibre. End of. Me anyway, I don't eat any fucking fibre. So I have a smoothie that has basically solved everything from sleep to fucking gut health, everything, man. So it is got 1 banana, a full frozen banana, bits of frozen mango, bits of frozen pineapple, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds or chia seeds, doesn't matter how you say it, 1 scoop of, like 5 gram scoop of inulin, 5 grams of creatine, 200 ml of skim milk, 1 scoop of protein powder, banana, and a wee drop of water to help it all fucking blend together, you know what I mean? This is it. This is what I use. Fucking the Ninja Chatty. I think like 40 quid of Amazon. Sound. Absolutely sound. So if you are... I struggle to eat healthy. I'll be honest, cards on the table, I fucking hate eating healthy. But I like smoothies. So this is my solution to a problem. Probably not what you were expecting of today's video, troops. Probably not what you're expecting. Justin just replied to my story, Justin Ingray. And I put that recipe on my story and he's like 200 grams of haggis. Cheeky fucker. Honestly, man. I get it through left, right and centre from all the English folk. Honest to God, endless. Called bagpipe shagger, haggis muncher, haggis shagger. There's probably a few other things that I probably can't say on social media that I get called. Most of them from Justin Ingray. You know what I mean? So that's it, and that's that. There's lads on site, but I'll talk quietly. Project Madagascar stairs have been put in. Stud work downstairs has started. You know, like all of the dormer is done, and the scaffolding down. You see it's starting to really pick up speed now. A lot of it's happened downstairs, but your boy gets nervous when there's people on site. You know what I mean? But let's see if you can get an idea of it. Look, I'll just do a montage, and you can see what's happening.
I throw my old ways out the door. They'll hit the fan and spin around. They'll swirl and die and hit the floor. Nothing ahead but a sleepless night, and my head won't quit the dream.
Here's a wee tip if you're going to start out in business. You're going to have a bang average car, 38 degrees in this car, or outside. I think it's because the bonnet's heating up. I don't give a fuck. End of the day, I've not got aircon. I've not got aircon and I'm dying of death. Honestly, melting. Fucking hell. And I don't want to get aircon because I'd rather put that money towards my education because I'm an arsehole. You know what I mean? That's the truth. That's the real truth. I'm gonna walk. Look how beautiful this day is. Look how beautiful this day is. Let's do this. And there it is. Project Madagascar. Looking looking absolutely beautiful in full swing. Let's go. All right, I'll do a cheeky video. The house is full of people viewing it. Demand is insane. However, this is it, just your box standard. Like, you can see all the houses down there. All of them tick off exactly what I want to do. So, do this viewing, do the measurements, and then send letters to all of these houses, because you never know who's thinking of selling. If this one works, then that one will work, that one will work, that one will work. You get what I'm saying? It's not just this one that's an opportunity, it's all the others around you. Welcome to Project Western. It's looking all clean. It looks like the inside of the International Space Station at the moment, I can't lie. But insulation completed, man. Stud work gone up in the dormer. Dormer is almost, this is going to be a studio here. Take a look at that. Looking clean, boys. Looking clean. And girls, if you're watching. To all 6 of you watching, shout out to you. Love yous. Anyway, right, this is going to be a studio, as you can see. That is the bathroom there, the ensuite. Bed's probably going to go around about here or here. You never know. So, studio here, double ensuite here, double ensuite here. Bit of a raised floor space here, potentially a wardrobe. Who knows? And here's the ensuite. Looking lovely, looking lovely. Velux windows. I'll show you there. There we go. And I had to come up those stairs there, looking a bit touchy, sketchy, can't lie.
My flooded thoughts drip down my face, then rise like rivers of steam. Yeah, they rise like rivers of steam.
Right, troops, got some plastering. All the skimming has been done on the top 2 floors, and they are downstairs doing more skimming, and it's starting to look like a clean, fresh HMO. Look at this, double ensuite. Ensuite's going in there. Studio, bed, kitchen, ensuite. I'm a sweaty bastard. I know I'm sweaty, but I ain't gonna go downstairs and talk and distract them. So let's just do a wee montage.
Sleeping hands is a memory I once heard or read someplace. Then why can't I forget you when I haven't slept in days? No, 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 I haven't slept. No, I have not slept for days. And my selective memory knows the dark upon your face.
All right, site visit's done. I'm pretty happy with the progress on some of them. Brighton's fallen behind a little bit because the painting and decorator went on holiday last minute and wasn't made aware of it, but managed to find another painter and decorator who is starting at the start of next week. So we can get back on track, but an unforeseen problem came up. Our building control officer has left his job, of which we knew, but he was scheduled to come in last Friday to do the final sign-off, of which he hasn't, and now he's left, now he's done. So now we have to wait for another one, and the other surveyor, officer, whatever you want to call him, is on holiday. It's holiday season. If you do a build over winter, things take longer to dry. If you do a build throughout the summer, every cunt and their dog's on holiday. So what do? It's just something that when you're at the start of a build and you're told it's going to be like 20 weeks, you just got to pray that it lasts 20 weeks. You got to, I don't know how you factor it in. Maybe just do like a bit of a contingency like normal, right? But like, see when you have one and it's building control officers on holiday, drawdown surveyors on holiday, stuff like that. People being on holiday, solicitor being on holiday, out of office until insert date, that shitty email that comes up, you know. Like, you can't give them a hard time for going on holiday. You go on holiday too, I do too, it's a thing. But A way to navigate it, if your builder's team are going on a holiday and they have a relatively small team, then ask for like a couple weeks notice, so then you can bring in someone, reach out to your network, bring in someone, combat that. And if you have a good relationship with like the solicitor, drawdown surveyor, which you will over time, they'll normally tell you, oh, I'm going to like Tenerife in a few weeks, I'm well excited. They say, oh, brilliant, thanks for telling me. Let's see if we can get someone to take in your space. It's just so much easier. It's so much easier because when it's sprung upon you, it's kind of like, oh shit, what do we do? And then you lose time, and then it has a knock-on effect. Never underestimate the knock-on effect in a build, man. Wow. Like it's like a little mini butterfly effect, you know. It can happen. So anyway, that's this site visit day done. I don't have any more stuff to tell you. I hope you enjoyed your weekend, sunny weekend. And this is it, and that's that. I'm going to wrap up the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.